To record sounds on Redmi A5, first of all, you will have to go into the Google Play Store and search for the application called Recorder. So let's type in the Recorder, and I recommend you to download this application, Voice Recorder and Voice Memos. So simply download this one, and as the installation completes, let's open the application, and you will have to grant 3 permissions for this application: the permission to use the microphone, permission to have access to files, and also permission to use notifications. And from here you will be able to record sounds with this button right here. As you press it, the recording will just begin. Additionally, you can find some settings right here, some options. You can change storage path, recording quality, recording format, and some other stuff. As you can see, these are these settings for this recorder. But if you want to basically just record sounds, simply press this button right here and the recording will begin. You can mark some important moments in this recording. You can pause the recording. You can have the peer review of this recording. From here you can also discard the recording. You can resume, and you can just save the recording just like this. Give it the title. Right here you can set up some tag for this recording, like for example voice note, and from here press save, and you will be able from here, let's go back, the recording has been saved successfully, and right here you will be able to find this recording under this tab right here, and this recording is available right there, as you can see. So this is basically how you can record sounds on the Redmi A5.